Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we are going to show you how to remove and replace a driver's side window switch in a 2010 Volkswagen GTI. All right, we're going to pull this window switch out. We're going to pull this trim cover. We're going to use these tools, these special trim tools. You can buy these at 1aauto.com. I'm going to fish right in here. This is really not easy to do. Use to get in here, push it in, and there's these clips on the side here. You need to release them. Being careful not to break anything. And it'll make noise like that when it releases. Go up near the top here. And then there's another one. There's one more down in the back here. See, there's these 4 clips. Turn the back side. And we're gonna go over to our switch, disconnect the connector, and push this little tab. It'll pull out. Disconnect the mirror switch. You're going to push down on the connector, on the lock. We're going to use a flat blade screwdriver to pop this out. These little tabs in here. Just pry it back a little bit. Over on this side. We're going to use 2. Keep one on this side. Help us unlock it. Apply a little bit of pressure from the front. There we go. Came right out. This is our old window switch. This is our new window switch from 1aauto.com. As you can see, the connectors are the same. The actual switch itself looks slightly different, but it will do the same purpose. And you can get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. All right, we're going to install our window switch into our trim piece. Just going to slide it in. A little bit of force, lock it in, make sure all the locks are in, and it's good. Now we're going to reinstall our trim piece into our door panel. We're going to install the mirror switch connector, push it in until it locks in. I'm going to install our window switch connector, line up the connector and push in until it locks. And we're going to slide. There's a gap right here that you have to line up with the door panel, and then you're going to push it straight down. All right, we're going to test our window switch, and it works. Works in automatic and automatic down. No programming required.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.